and my company is Malico, which is based in Taiwan, and we're a manufacturer for thermal solutions and also metal parts for different type of industries. So here we have different type of heat sinks in different applications. So this is more for electronic systems, and the heat pipes are custom made, different form factor, different design. And liquid cooling is for higher power systems that use active water or other type of coolant to bring the heat out of the systems. For metal injection molding, it's like glass injection molding but metal, and you can make very complicated shapes but very cost effective. And we also have all the other more common type of metal forming process like machining, die casting, forging, shorten. So that's basically what Malico is.
Who are your main customers?
We have pretty much in different type of industries. We medical. We provide like cooling for MRI systems and for X-ray type of system as well, and also for telecommunication and for EV cars. So we do the battery cooling as well. So all type of different industries.
How you like the conference so far?
It's good. Like this is kind of a new conference for us.
Yeah.
So we're not really sure what to expect, but it's going well so far.
Welcome to Boston, and have a great Bio IT World Conference.